Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike Oski's Kitchen. Hey, this is the 50 by 50 check-in, weekly check-in. I'm excited again. So this week, I've dropped, since last week, before our chicken wings started, I dropped another 2 pounds. So that's exciting. That's a total of 13 pounds so far, but I still got 37 more to go, and it's still a long haul, but I'm gonna stay with it. It's encouraging. Now, 2 pounds is great. Some probably fat, some probably water. We don't care what it is, it's coming off. And don't get discouraged. If you lose a pound, what's the big deal? You're losing a pound. Folks, this right here is a pound of ground beef. If you lost a pound, this is what you lost. Fortunately, I lost 2 of these, but just don't lose heart. So good God Almighty, let's get going on this. We got another good dish today to keep this train going. Look guys, this is a great journey. I'm glad you're on it, but let's get to work right now. We got to keep this thing going. I'll see you back over at the workstation. Welcome to Mike Oski's Kitchen. I'm Mike Olszewski. I'm the chef of this kitchen. And if you're tuning in, I'm sure hope you're being the chef of yours. Look, hey, here I am with my half beer. Still going half beer on this 50 by 50. Boy, it's been fun. It's been challenging, but it's been fun. Hey, Valentine's Day. All the love all around. Valentine's Day is coming up in 1 week. Now listen to me very closely. Nothing shows love better than making a dish for that special certain someone in your life. When you can put something together with them in mind and you deliver it to them and they have that smile on their face, boy, and not only make you feel good, but it makes them feel loved as well because you took the time and effort and were deliberate about making something for them. This is what we're going to do, but we're going to wrap it up a little bit because this is going to be a breakfast in bed on Valentine's Day morning for your special someone. Now, if you don't have a special someone, make it for yourself. That's okay. But if you do, here's what you're going to have to do. We're making Mike Oski's spicy shrimp omelet. You're gonna love it. It's spicy. So if you deliver this in bed to your special someone, yeah, the food's spicy, but it may spice some other things up. You get my drift, right? Just saying. Here's what goes into this dish. So simple, so easy. Don't tell me you can't make a dish because you can make this. If you can make eggs or an omelet, you can make this. Look, spinach, feta, garlic. We're gonna put some olives in there. You know what olives do to people, right? Olive oil, of course, shrimp, eggs, here's the spice, cayenne pepper, and all my favorite sriracha sauce. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this together, simple cutting, simple chopping. We're gonna chop up some onion. I don't have the onion here, but we're gonna chop up some onion as well, because I like to add a little bit of onion to it. It's up to you. If you're not an onion fan, you don't have to put it in there. But we're gonna chop some things up. We're gonna come back here, I'm gonna show you what things look like, and then we're gonna go to the workstation or the hot spot, from the workstation to the hot spot, and we're gonna make this omelet up. It's so simple, so easy, you're gonna not believe how easy it is. I'll see you right back here. I'll show you how things look cut up, and then we'll head over to the hot spot. I'll see you back here. All right, everybody, hey, before we head over to the hot spot and make this thing up, this wonderfully spicy shrimp omelet. Ooh. Anyway, yeah, I'm so excited. Listen, I just chopped up some olives, nothing major. I took some of the already pre-chopped up, diced garlic that's in the jar, put it in there so you can use it over there. Onion, I just chopped it up in nice little fine chopping chunks here. Nothing big there. Same thing on the spinach. Just chop it up because you're going to work with it a little bit. Now, with the shrimp, I'm using 4 shrimp, large shrimp, the jumbo shrimp. You can get them already pre-cooked at the grocery store. Just thaw them out, peel them, and boom, there you go. If you want to be originalist, go ahead and get your raw ones and make them up. But I like to go quick on this. I like to cut my shrimp in little bite-sized pieces. And the reason why I like to do that because it spreads throughout the recipe a lot better than having 4 big pieces of shrimp. So I like to mix the shrimp into it with everything else. Now that's that. Now, one more thing we want to do. We're going to go ahead and show you what we're going to do with the eggs. This is what makes the spice of this whole thing. We're going to go with 2 eggs. All right, and we're going to go ahead and mix them up a little bit. Just like you're making any old regular omelet. But here comes the spice, baby, on a Valentine's Day. Spice up your world. So we're going to go ahead and take our cayenne, put it into the egg. And we're going to take our sriracha. Put it into the egg as well. And then we're going to take a little bit of salt and pepper. Get the rest of the sriracha in there. And then let's take some salt and pepper, a little bit of pepper. Hey, this is by taste, okay? I kind of know what our folks like here, and you should know what your folks like. A little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. And then we're just going to mix it back all together. So you want to get all that sriracha and cayenne into the egg. Don't worry, it's not going to be that spicy. If you want more, add more sriracha, add more cayenne if you want it really hot. If you don't want it hot, don't add it. You take this right out of the recipe, make it yours. It's okay. It's still going to be awesome without the spice. So there we go. Our eggs are ready. Our things are cut up. So let's head over to the hot spot and let's make this thing up. It's that easy. I'll see you over there. All right, guys, hey, we're back here. First step to make this wonderful, wonderful, wonderful spicy shrimp omelet. We're going to go ahead and put some onion in here. I'm going to go 2 tablespoons of the chopped onion. And I'm going to go 1 tablespoon of my garlic. What we want to do, we got some oil in there, about 2 tablespoons of oil. And we want to get this stuff cooking really nice, okay? So what we're going to do is just go ahead and get this all mixed together. We want to get the onion soft a little bit, get a little more translucent, so we can add the other things to it. But right now, we're just going to go ahead and get the onions going and the garlic going and let them work together. And when I come back, I'll show you what we're going to add next. All right, guys, hey, we're back. Our onion and our garlic are nice and well done, I guess, enough to get done. The onions are nice and soft and translucent. Next step, with clean hands, we're going to add our shrimp. Again, 4 jumbo shrimp going in this. You can add more. This is your kitchen. I like 4. I don't want to put too much on there. But you know what this one does, boy? This one's going to go ahead and give us a high protein count. Low carb. This is exactly what I'm doing. This is exactly why the 50 by 50 is happening. I'm going to let the shrimp cook for just a little bit, get it soft. Remember, they're pre-cooked anyway, so I don't have to officially cook them. I just want to get them warmed up really well and integrate it with the onion and the garlic. I'll show you what's up next when I come back. All right, guys, here's what we're going to do. This is a very special amount. Don't put a whole lot of spinach in. I'm just going to go sprinkle a little bit in. About a handful or more or less. It doesn't matter, but what we want to do, we want to get the shrimp mixed up with the spinach and with the onion and with the garlic. We just want it to wilt a little bit. So what we want to do, it's already wilting. It goes quick. Next step we want to do while that's wilting, remember our egg mixture? Let's go. Now we want to make an omelet. I'm cooking this thing at about medium low. We don't want it to cook too fast or burn. See how the egg has that nice color to it with the sriracha and the cayenne. So I like to cook the egg by just pulling it away here. Be right back. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. I'm just going to slowly cook my egg because there's a lot of stuff on here. As you're cooking an omelet, typically tilt the pan and get some of that egg juice off top and let it cook against the pan. Pull back again. Same thing. Just let that egg juice come on. It helps your eggs cook evenly, and you can form this thing up really nice while you're doing it. So we're going to let it cook a little bit more, and then I'll keep tilting it. But I will see you back here just in a minute. I'm going to show you what the final step is. You're going to love this, folks. All right, great. See how nice our eggs are? Just kind of almost a perfect round. That's what we want. Perfect. All the juice is pretty much gone off the top. Now this is the final step. Take some of your olives. Put them right here on one side. I like to put them on one side because what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold this side over, okay? You don't want to fold the stack side, what I call it, because that stuff starts falling out. Final thing to do is we're going to add just a little bit of feta. Just on top there, whoops. Just a little bit of feta. Put it in there. You want to get that nice and melted in there. Not a whole lot. Feta's strong. Feta's strong. Now, here comes the flip. Get it good here, get it good here. You want to take it up. I'm going to cook it just a little bit more long. It's not already cooked through, so I'm going to cook it just a little bit more. I'll show you what I'm going to do when I come back. All right, guys, so I did make a flip. I couldn't get my camera going fast enough, so it started cooking really fast. So anyway, I made the flip. This is about what it looks like, a nice golden brown on the top. I'm going to let it cook there for a few minutes. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip it over one more time and then let the other side cook a little bit more. We're just trying to heat the inside up and get that feta cheese nice and melted in with everything else. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead, flip it over again, and I'll see you back over at the workstation. And let's try this puppy. This is amazing. We'll see you right back here. Hey, buddy, we've arrived. This is where I want to be. Oh, look at this egg, nice and golden brown. Hey, the way you want to cook eggs is totally up to you. I like mine a little bit more done, a little bit more brown. We are ready for this spicy shrimp omelet. Oh goodness, I can't wait. I'm just gonna go take a little bit of this. Now, you can serve it with sour cream or you can serve it with Greek yogurt. I'm gonna use some yogurt and put it together. Ooh, that spiciness. Remember I told you? Spicy food can spice up other things in your life. I feel a little spicy right now. That's perfect. You're gonna love it. It's so easy to make. Guys, make this. Surprise your special someone on Valentine's Day morning with this Mike Oski spicy shrimp omelet. You'll spice up their world, spice up their belly. You might even spice up your little, you know what I mean. Happy Valentine's Day. Thanks for being here. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And like I always say, keep on going with the 50-50. But my only special Polish way is what I say is na zdrowie.